So first of all, you go to the video or the meme you want to do, such as let me just do this one for example. Let's use this one. You click share, and then you copy the link. Then you go to Google, wherever Google is, and then you go to this website called savefrom.net, and then it'll bring you to this page, or if it doesn't bring you to a page, click the first one. You paste the link right there. Then it gives you the video, and you click download. And then it would download. And then you go to KinMaster. And then when you're at KinMaster, or KindMaster, I don't know, you click add project. You click empty project. You go to media. You click the downloaded one. And then you click layers. And then you click media. And then you just click the animation you want. And then you see. You're welcome.